Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about installing any game or software you are getting the error ISDone.dll. An error occurred while unpacking with error code 12. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, whichever tool you are going to use to download that particular software, launch that particular tool. After launching, you need to right click and choose the option force recheck. Once the force recheck is completed, only then try to install the game or trying to install that particular software to fix out the issue. Although, if this failed to work out, in next step, you need to open up the downloaded directory where you have downloaded that particular folder, game or any software. For example, here I have few games that I have downloaded. Now, if your downloaded folder is a zip file, you need to right click on it and make sure you must open it only with the WinRAR. Either use WinRAR or use 7Z. Choose the option open with WinRAR. Now you need to click on the option extract files to extract the files right onto the desktop or any other drive where you have enough space, and only then launch the setup.exe to fix out the issue. Although if this also failed, you need to open up the downloaded folder. Here you will find setup file. Right click on the file and go to its properties. Now click on compatibility tab and checkmark the option run this program in compatibility mode. From a drop down list, choose 7 or 8, whatever option you would like to use. And secondly, checkmark the option run this program as an administrator, hit apply and OK button. After doing so, relaunch the setup. Now make sure you must checkmark this particular option, limit installer to 3 GB or 2 GB of RAM usage. After doing so, trying to reinstall the game and hopefully the issue will be completely fixed. If this also failed, in last step, you need to open up your web browser and download Microsoft Visual C++ all-in-one. By downloading this tool, you will be able to download Visual C++ from 2005 till today. So click on this option to download this tool Visual C++ into your system. Select any mirror, save it into your system. Once it is saved, launch it and then install this Microsoft Visual C++ into your PC, and the issue of an error occurred while unpacking will be completely fixed. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.